How to view GPX file on iPhone. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in the super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, what we need to do is to just download an app in the App Store. So just open up your App Store right here. Open up App Store. And then once you're here, what you want to do is to just simply go to the search bar right there. And after that, just search up for GPX Viewer. There you go, search that up. And then what you want to do is to install this application right here, GPX Viewer by Jonathan Gander. So just click on Get, and then after that, just wait for the application to finish installing. So this might take quite a bit. So just wait for it to finish, and then there you go. So once it's done installing, just simply open up the application. There you go. Just set up these options right there. And after that, once you're here, just simply click on the arrow, click on the arrow again, click on it again, click on it again, and then there you go, click on all right, and then there you go. So once you're here, what you want to do is go to the top left corner right there. So just click on this icon right here on the top left corner, and after that, just click on this plus button right there, click on select files, and then after that, just look for the GPX file that you want to import in your files application right there. So I'll be importing this file right there. And then after that, just click on it and then just click on open. There you go. And then after that, what you want to do from here is to just click on these three dots right here. Click on select this GPX. And then there you go. We now have the GPX file opened right here in the GPX viewer. And then after that, you're pretty much done. So that's pretty much it on how to view GPX file on iPhone.